Hello everybody, my name is Marina Anchevska and I'm an NLP trainer and CEO of the Center for Business Psychology in Macedonia. My education, I got it in Holland, and 11 years I'm back in Macedonia, and I want to share here my experiences. Actually, I want to be a mentor with impact, and that's why I'm also in this program in collaboration with the Mentoring Network, Macedonian Mentoring Network. We are doing all kinds of interesting events to share our education with people in the region. What I'm going to do exactly in this program is offering all kinds of coaching programs for performers, leadership programs, everything with the idea to mentor and to also to inspire people, to inspire businesses to create a long-lasting change. So the coaching programs for performers, it's for the managers, so they can, through this program, they can develop skills to motivate employees. And because it's very important, because the business is the people and the people is business. So all the organizations are working with the people, so investing in the people, in the organization, in the employees, it's an investment that is very important, of course. So in this program, we're gonna travel and go around in the region, cooperate with also professionals, and create something beautiful so that the companies and the employees can also have the big benefit from it. My expertise is actually the NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, and I'm also combining that with the systemic work. Why is that so important? Because a team is a group of people, but not every group of people is a team. It's more important in my work, what I do, is the personal development of every employee. Why is that? Because if you see a family, each person has his own values and beliefs. Of course, these values and beliefs are vibrating with the values of the beliefs of the family, but each of us is changing, is creating new values and beliefs, and it's very important how this is resonating with the group where this person belongs. So in the organization, it's the same. It's the most important to invest in the personal development of the people, because the people will get aware of their internal communication, internal dialogue, and also will get aware of it, how their communication create behavior, what is resonating in the team. So the most important is what I see in my work like a trainer, because I work internationally, I work with many companies, I work with individuals, is the problem is that the person is not aware what he provoked by the other people. So when you work with a team, the most important is also the systemic consciousness. So to be aware that you are part of a system and part of a team, part of the organization, and this individual, this team is creating the organization. So the mindset of the people, it's very important, and it's very precious, of course. It's something that create the organizational culture, and that's why the personal development is important in any business psychology.